Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another new Canva feature what was introduced in the Canva keynote. This one is the AI code generator, or shortly called Canva Code. It's a pretty nice, easygoing AI tool where we can create anything and a Canva can coding anything for us. It's a pretty nice tool. I will show you two examples. That was a basic solar system with the Earth, Moon, and the Mars. We can have some details about it. We can show the orbit path also with the labels. We can change the speed if we want, and we have some details about those three planets. Or when I regenerated or use the same code but add all these planets, as you can see here also have this function to show the orbital path. You can turn off the labels, but I think this is not working properly in this tool, but it's not that important. And here we can also change the speed, but it up to 5 times faster. Here was up to 10. Like this. Okay. Here also we can have some detailed information about the all the planets. Oh, that's 5 times is a bit fast. The Venus with the Earth, also the Moon, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and the Neptune. Or just reset the view. We can turning it, zooming in and out, and moving up and down and moving it. That's also pretty nice. And I really like this this website what was generated by the Canva. I close them. So this is the website where we can read about this AI code generator. As we can see, it's a very nice introducing from idea to creation instantly. That's really nice. It's almost doing it immediately, all in one platform, so we do not need to do it in a third-party tool. We can generate here a website with anything with code, and we can immediately generate our own website from it, or just using it on the website. See, redefine what's possible in education. That's also true. That's amazing how it works. But here also mentioned Canva Code can make mistakes. I can confirm one of the websites what was generated for me was not even loading, stuck somewhere in a loading. The AI code generator for every need, for personal, for business, and for education. And miss one thing, for fun. And all the features what we need, AI code generator in no time, so it's doing it very fast. Seamless integration, we can using it very easily in any design. Coding free interactive website elements, so that's also important. Friendly AI personality, that could be useful. Secure AI use with Canva Shield is also now it's a important topic. The security, presentation enhancers, flexible input options, preview planner, which is also a pretty amazing and important thing. Lots of other AI tool doesn't have the preview panel, so when you have the code, you have to copy it and paste it somewhere where it can run it, and you see, and this is when you can see if something wrong, something is not 100% the same what we want. So we have to going back and ask it to changing or amending, or even some tool we can do it with a manual adjustment. And also it's a business tool generator. How to use it, I will show you immediately. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. Starting here, where the solar system was generated, I amended a bit the original code, but will be still nice. So this is the main website of the Canva. As you can see, it's already the new one. And here we can see this new button, canvaai. When I click on it, we can already design for me, create an image, draft a doc, or code for me. If I click code for me, we already have this function just to create a quick code. Like I use this coded 3D game for exploring space. So this is the code, but I would like to use this amended one. And it's really nice. And just click on it. And now let me think. So the Canva start to generate the code. Now we just have to wait until the AI finishing the coding, and hope so this code will be good without any error. As you can see here, again mentioned, Canva Code can make mistakes, but actually this is true for all the AI applications. And the funny thing, if you're asking for the same code several times, we always have a different result, which is also a pretty cool thing. But this is also true for all AI tools. Even if you just think about an image generator, if you use the same prompt several times, we will have several different results. Same as here, the AI tried to create something which is based on our prompt, but when the prompt is more and more detailed, we can leading the AI to which direction we want. If the prompt is just a generic one, maybe the AI finds something, but it will be not 100% the same what we want. So actually this is for coding, this is a really short prompt, complex one, but pretty short without, it's not so many comments what we really want and how we really want. But for starting, it's really good. And in the end, you will see what will be generated. And all these websites, what was generated, will be in the description of this video. But now we just really have to wait until the whole codes will be generated. So already you can see almost 750. Now it's already reached the 750 lines. So it's a pretty complex code. Of course, the solar system is a pretty complex system, especially how these planets orbiting together, and it's, you can see, with a realistic physics. And we need this intuitive navigation controls and this educational overlay. So that's the final outcome has to be some really complex thing, but we do not really lead. As you can see, it's already generated. So what we can do that this is just a preview. Something not it's moving very slow. And here we're gonna okay, now when we click on the sun, okay, now we can see it's pretty nice, and also we can see some details. Okay, something is not so nice. Orbital speed, radius. Okay, okay, we don't have the radius. Okay, let's here Venus, Mars, can ask for the moon, the Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. You can turn on, turn off the orbits. Yeah, we can moving them, zooming them, turn on, turn off the info panel, reset the view. Okay, info panel just turn off. Cannot really see the orbits, so that's this one. It was not done perfectly, but it's already something nice for start. So that's as you can see, it's a pretty basic prompt, and we have already a pretty nice website. Or not, this is not website, this is just a preview of the code. But what can we do with this code? How we can use it? So the easiest way, using a design. And if I click on it, the Canva opens a Canva website, and everything is already included, so I do not have to do anything. This is a perfect. When we do it from the third party, that's a bit more difficult to using an iframe to inserting something to the website. But with this Canva code, we just have to click on this using design, and it's already used in this design. And if we let it publish, just click on publish website. Now I'm just using a free Canva domain. That's, as you can see, it's already generated. Here is the website link. View the website. As you can see, it's already have this solar system, has the own unique domain. As what was before, so I just open the info panel. As you can see, we already have lots of information about all the planets. So that's pretty nice. This is what we ask for it. And just reset view just for a basic one, and just turn off the info panel. We can zoom in, zoom out, we can rotate or just move. So that's pretty nice. So this is what we ask for it. And what we can generate, it's just as you can imagine everything. So if you need something, this tool can generate for you effortlessly. So that's well done, Canva. That's a pretty nice new tool. I didn't even expected this from the Canva, but it's pretty amazing in the end. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section if I miss anything from this tutorial, or if you struggling anything in a Canva. Please also visit my Facebook page, where you can find lots of another Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text-to-image generation prompts for different kind of applications. So if you're also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page also. You can find the link in the description, as I mentioned before. But now, this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.